flexible production system of the pilot factory Industry 4.0 has been developed over the past 5 years together with TU Wien. The Center for Digital Production uses the pilot factory as implementation and demonstration lab. The manufacturing area of the lab is split into 2 main production cells. The first consists of an EMCO Maxturn 45 with bar loader and an ABB robot for loading and unloading purposes. The robot uses a pallet as buffer storage. The pallet is placed on a 3-axis portal, which can mount the pallets onto the automated guided vehicle. The second production cell is built around an EMCO MaxMill 500, a 5-axis milling center. The pallet handling within the cell is done by another ABB robot. A huge focus lies on the safety system of the manufacturing area, providing an industry-standard safety system whilst maintaining the openness and the accessibility of a laboratory for demonstration and educational purposes. The safety system consists of SICK laser scanners and a PILS safety eye. The laser scanner provides a virtual wall to protect workers in the fully automated environment of the factory. The safety eye scans the area and informs workers in case of a security breach with visual and audio signals before stopping the production system. Additionally, the safety eye can adapt its settings as soon as the HEV is near the red zone. Therefore, the HEV can enter without interrupting the production while maintaining safety for workers and visitors at the pilot factory. In the following, you will see some project